If you're looking to build a content agency with AI writing at the core, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your agency and use AI to streamline the writing process, boost productivity, and scale fast. First, let's start with the foundation. A content agency requires a solid process to deliver high-quality content consistently. AI writing tools can dramatically speed up that process while maintaining quality, but it's crucial to choose the right AI-powered software. Trust me, I've tried all the most popular ones out there, and I'll recommend the best one for you in just a minute. But before we get there, let's talk about building the structure. You need to define the types of content you'll focus on. Will it be blog posts, social media content, emails, or something else? Once you define that, AI writing can take over a huge chunk of the heavy lifting. The software will allow you to quickly generate well-structured drafts, which you can refine and optimize. This lets you focus on strategy, client acquisition, and growing the agency rather than being bogged down in content creation. The next step is automation. Using AI for writing is just one piece of the puzzle. You need a workflow that integrates AI tools with your content creation pipeline. Set up a streamlined process for how your AI-generated drafts will be reviewed, edited, and published. The more automated you can make this, the better. Consider using a project management tool or CRM to track client work, deadlines, and revisions. Now, let's talk about client acquisition. Once your process is set up, you need to build a client base. This is where your agency's niche comes into play. Are you focusing on small businesses, startups, e-commerce? Knowing your target audience is key to marketing your services. Use AI to generate email sequences, social media posts, and sales pages that attract clients. With the right tools, you can even automate follow-ups, freeing up your time to focus on building relationships rather than sending dozens of emails. And don't forget about scaling. One of the biggest advantages of having AI writing at the core of your agency is scalability. As your client list grows, your AI can handle more volume. This means you won't have to hire a massive team right away. You can scale your content production without compromising quality, and once you have the system running smoothly, you can focus on scaling your marketing, building partnerships, and expanding your service offerings. Now, before I continue, if you want to follow along and use the software I recommend to power your agency, I've got an exclusive free trial in the description below. This is available only to viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab that offer before it's gone. Alright, let's quickly review the key steps. 1. Choose a niche and define the content types you'll create. 2. Select the best AI writing software that fits your needs. 3. Automate your workflow and integrate the AI tool with your project management process. 4. Use AI for client acquisition, marketing, and follow-ups. 5. Scale your agency using AI to handle increased content production. The key takeaway from this video is that by using AI writing at the core of your content agency, you can automate much of the content creation process, enabling you to focus on growing your agency, acquiring clients, and scaling. AI doesn't just help you produce content faster, it helps you build an efficient business model that can grow with minimal overhead. Remember to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's the perfect way to get started without any commitment. If you want to follow the steps I've outlined and build a content agency with AI, that's the tool you'll need to get there faster. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your content agency journey.